What's up, guys? We're going to be looking at Terra Classic, Bitcoin, and some other altcoins. So let's go straight into it. All right, so first off, Terra Classic here. And a few days ago, we saw this nice pump. Doesn't look too big on this chart because of this massive pump back here. But if we zoom in on the hourly, very nice pump. Let's see how much it was from bottom to top. Bottom to top, we're looking at 26% pump. So we saw a 26% pump in one day, actually in like a few hours. So pretty nice pump. And zooming back out. And yeah, finally, we've been going sideways forever. This is the biggest pump we've seen in a day for ages, months and months. So what's nice is we did form a higher high here finally. And we haven't been this high since the start of November. So I think we have seen the bottom of this downtrend we were in, and as you can see, we're forming a slight uptrend now, and this strong support here around 16 has held, and so yeah, forming a slight uptrend, higher high here, and yeah, I think this was the bottom back here. We've been going sideways since the start of November now. And yeah, we should see this slowly start to swing to the upside, I think. And at some point, we'll probably see another massive pump out of nowhere when nobody expects it. That's usually how it goes once things start going sideways for a long time. Everyone gets bored, stops paying attention. That's when we see the big moves. So we may see that soon here. This was a pretty nice pump, 26% in one day. But yeah, I think we'll be heading up to our next resistance level here around 25 here, maybe within the next few weeks even, who knows. But the thing is, if Bitcoin has been pumping over the last few weeks, if Bitcoin continues to pump, then we should see Terra Classic continue into an uptrend as well. So let's look at Bitcoin and where the whole market is going now. So Bitcoin, I think the bottom of the bear market was back here in November. I think this was the bottom, and now we're going to be seeing our 3 years of bull market. So yeah, I think we're going to see crypto. As you can see, it's already starting to pump here the last few weeks. I think we'll be heading up for the rest of this year and for the next 3 years. And yeah, Bitcoin been pumping pretty nicely, but there's also a lot of altcoins. I mean, because Bitcoin is pumping now, the whole crypto market's pumping. Tons of other coins are pumping as well. I'll show you guys some of those. If you look over here, this is the past 30 days. So in the last 30 days, we've seen some massive gains for some other coins. So like Singularity Net up 739%, Render Token up 317%, Aptos up 295%, Phantom up 157%, Decentraland 123%, The Graph 106%. And yeah, there's just a ton of different cryptos pumping. So yeah, if Bitcoin keeps pumping, then we're going to see altcoins keep pumping like crazy too. So yeah, so I think for the next 3 years and the rest of this year, we're going to be heading up. But as far as the short term, I think we are due for a bit of a correction here before we continue to the upside. So, because we've gone straight up for the last few weeks, seen massive gains. As you can see, the altcoins, a lot of coins are up hundreds of percent. So, of course, if you're somebody holding like Render Token, you're probably going to be taking some profits. So, we should see a correction. So, I think Bitcoin may come down to around 21, maybe even down to 19 over the next few weeks, and then after we see that correction, we should see it continue higher. So maybe we'll see something like we had back here in 2021, a nice pump, a bit of a correction, and then continue the pump. So we'll see what happens here over the next few days and weeks. This next week may be when we start to see that correction, but yeah, if Bitcoin keeps pumping this year, then of course a lot of other coins are going to pump, and we should see Terra Classic continue this uptrend. I mean, Terra Classic, the reason it's not pumping as hard as a lot of other coins is because I think we had this huge pump just back in September, and none of these other coins were pumping during that. That was just Terra Classic by itself. So we had a recent pump, so Terra Classic needs to cool off for a bit, but eventually we should see some more nice pumps in the future, especially if Bitcoin continues into a bull market. So we'll see what happens. Short term, I think we'll see a bit of a correction here over the next couple weeks, but we'll see. It's also possible we could just head straight up, so who knows. But what do you guys think? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later.